You'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Oh, well, instead of naming somebody else, I would like to name myself because I find myself wearing unusual clothes because I am a professional bodybuilder. I find it very difficult to go to the shopping malls and get clothes because all the time I have to alter my pants, whether it's shirts and all that, because I have a broader chest, and that is why I have to fabricate it, all the stuff that I purchase from the market. Whenever I go to my tailor for my traditional suits, also he always tell me that it's very difficult to measure your clothes because it's not normal. So I find it unusual. So that's the reason I am naming myself. And moreover, because I was fat when I was young, so at that time I also whenever I go to some shop and they just say to me that we don't have your size, so it was a problem for me, but now I overcome, but still I am wearing unusual clothes.
What type of clothes do people like to wear in your country?
In my country, people like to wear the traditional clothes like shalwar kameez, and but now people are more into jobs and they are working, so as officially they do like to wear suits, and they like to wear ties and all these kind of stuff.
Do you wear different clothes at home and at work or outside?
Yes, obviously, because when you are work, you have to be professional and you have to dress up according to the requirement of your job. And when you are at home, that just like it's summer now, so you can wear shorts and you can have a thin t-shirt. That would be fine for you.
Are Western clothes popular in your country?
Yes, they are popular. Most of the people now they are tend to wear Western clothes because nowadays people are more into the Western cultures than it is.
What type of clothes will you wear in the future?
In future, but well, it will depend upon the situation on the occasion. And if it is a festival or it's a culture festival, I would like to wear my own traditional suits or whatever it is. And if there is a professional thing or any meeting or something like that, then I would prefer to wear formal clothes.
Okay, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test.